What is AWA in GRE and how to tackle it?
What is analytical writing analysis in GRE? The analytical writing analysis tests your critical thinking and analytical writing skills. It assesses your ability to articulate and support complex ideas, construct and evaluate arguments, and sustain a focused and coherent discussion. Analytical writing measure consists of two separately timed analytical writing tasks. 1. A 30-minute analyze an issue task, and 2. A 30-minute analyze an argument task. Analyze an issue task. This task assesses your ability to think critically about a topic of general interest and to clearly express your thoughts about it in writing. The issue task presents an opinion on an issue of general interest, followed by specific instructions on how to respond to that issue. You are required to evaluate the issue, consider its complexities, and develop an argument with reasons and examples to support your views. Analyze an argument task. It requires you to evaluate a given argument according to specific instructions. You will need to consider the logical soundness of the argument rather than agree or disagree with the position it presents. The two tasks are complementary in that one requires you to construct your own argument and the other requires you to evaluate someone else's argument by assessing its claims and evaluating the evidence it provides. Individuals taking the computer-delivered test will use a basic word processor developed by ETS. It contains the following functionalities: insert text, delete text, cut and paste, and undo the previous action. Tools such as spell checker and grammar checker are not available. Preparing for the analytical writing measure. It is important to understand the skills measured and how the tasks are scored. It is also useful to review the scoring guides, sample topics, scored sample essay responses, and rater commentary for each task. The tasks in the analytical writing measure relate to a broad range of subjects, from the fine arts and humanities to the social and physical sciences, but no task requires knowledge of specific content. In fact, each task has been tested by actual GRE test takers to ensure that it possesses several important characteristics, including the following. 1. GRE test takers, regardless of their field of study or special interests, understood the task and could easily respond to it. The task elicited the kinds of complex thinking and persuasive writing that university faculty consider important for success in graduate school. The responses were varied in content and in the way the writers developed their ideas. Published topic pools for the analytical writing measure. To help you prepare for the analytical writing measure, the GRE program has published the entire pool of tasks from which your test tasks will be selected. Two types of pools are: first, issue topic pool, and second, argument topic pool. Each issue topic consists of an issue statement or statements followed by specific task instructions that tell you how to respond to the issue. Each argument topic consists of a passage that presents an argument followed by specific task instructions that tell you how to analyze the argument. What are the test-taking strategies for the analytical writing measure? 1. Before taking the GRE general test, review the strategies, sample topics, essay responses, and rater commentary for each task contained in this section. Also review the scoring guides for each task. This will give you a deeper understanding of how raters evaluate essays and the elements they are looking for in an essay. 2. It is important to budget your time. Within the 30-minute time limit for the issue task, you will need to allow sufficient time to consider the issue and the specific instructions. Plan a response and compose your essay. Although the GRE raters who score your essays understand the time constraints under which you write and will consider your response a first draft, you still want it to be the best possible example of your writing that you can produce under the testing conditions. 3. Save a few minutes at the end of each time task to check for obvious errors. Although an occasional spelling or grammatical error will not affect your score, Serious and persistent errors will detract from the overall effectiveness of your writing and lower your score accordingly. If you run into issue, we are always here to help you out. You can ask your doubts in the comment section below or just book a free counseling session. Link is in the description. Press the like button and do share this video if you found this information useful. Also subscribe if you want similar information and don't forget to press the bell icon to get video updates. Thank you.